If you're halfway through the year and you're feeling like you're getting nowhere with your goals, maybe the problem isn't that you're failing. Maybe the problem is that you're asking yourself the wrong questions. Today I'm going to share with you 3 powerful questions that's going to help you to stop feeling stuck, stop starting over, and start moving forward again. Whether you're trying to build your own online income, learn new skills, improve your finances, or just simply create more options for your future. If you're new here, my name's Laiken and I create videos for people who want more freedom, more security, more options in life by learning simple online skills and building something of their own that they can be proud of. And today I want to talk about something I think most of us struggle with. Feeling like you're behind. Because if you've ever looked around and thought, maybe I'm too late, maybe this isn't working, or everyone else has it all figured out except me, then this video is definitely for you. Now, question number 1 might step on a few toes. Here it comes. What has worked so far? Most people focus on what's not working. The views that they didn't get, the sales that they didn't get, the opportunities that they missed. But what if we started looking for more evidence that progress is already happening? You post consistently, that's a win. Maybe you learned a new skill, that's a win. Maybe you got your first lead, that is a win. Maybe you gained more confidence, that is a huge win. And what you focus on grows. And when you start stacking the wins instead of stacking the disappointments, your perspective changes completely. And question number 2 is where most people discover the real reason they are not seeing results. Now, question number 2, what didn't work? Now, this is not about beating yourself up. This is about being honest. Did you stay consistent? Did you follow one plan long enough? And did you track what you've been doing? Or have you been jumping from strategy to strategy every single week? Not that the goal isn't working, it's that we keep changing direction before we give ourselves a chance to see the results. The lesson isn't to quit, the lesson is to adjust. The third question is the one that hit me the hardest when I first heard it. What did you never start? This one can be uncomfortable because many of us have goals that we genuinely wanted, but we never started. Maybe you wanted to start posting. Maybe you wanted to learn digital skills. Maybe you wanted to build a second income stream. Maybe you wanted to create a backup plan for your future. But fear, doubt, perfection, and overthinking got in the way. But here's the good news. If you haven't started it yet, you're not behind. You simply have an opportunity to begin today. One thing I've learned is that creating more security in life doesn't come from waiting for the perfect time. It comes from taking small, consistent steps. And that is exactly why I'm learning, why I'm growing and sharing my journey with you. Because the people who create options for themselves aren't always the smartest. They're the people who keep on going, no matter what. So my friend, if this video helped you at all, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more videos about creating freedom, security, and more options for your future. And let me know down in the comments which of these 3 questions hit you the hardest. And if you're ready to commit to one of your goals today, go ahead and comment "I'm not quitting" down below. And as always, if you want my free beginner's guide, it's linked down in the description. I'll see you in the next one.